Ayan guys, part 2 na to, part 2. Aalis tayo. Paano kung ano yung bag? Okay, let's go. So, hanap tayo ng room ng babies ko. Sure, sa akin na lang rin. Ha? Ito, maganda yata. Oh, diba? Mama, hanap ang bata. Pwede kang umakyat dito. Sa akin rin to, of course. Pero, dito yung babies ko. Some babies. Guys. Lagay natin dito ang bebek ko. Look. Mama. No? Purple? Ay, ang kumot. Oh, diba? Kasi merong, wall. I mean, ceiling. Matulog na yung baby ko. San kaya yung bed niya? Mama, saan ko gusto mo yung bed niya? Mama, tulog na yung kapatid ko. So, saan kaya yung bed niya? Dito, 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 dito. Ito? Ano gusto mo po? Ba't ayaw ilagay? Ayun. Tapos meron pa akong ibang kapatid. Mama, meron pa akong isa. So, dito na lang rin.
These are baby's toes. This is baby's belly button. Round and round it goes. These are baby's knees. And this is baby's nose.
Ayaw po, Mama. Parang nalalaglang po ulit.
Where mommy goes.
Guys, naglalag lang. Wait lang. Lagay kaya ulit natin dito sa baba. Yap, wag na.
His mouth has brown and
Ayan.
two eyes, a nose,
So, yan.
and a mouth.
Ito po yung pasukan.
Where are your eyes?
Ito tayo. Let's go.
There they are. Here's your nose. And there it is.
Ayan po.
Where
Ayan
is your
tayo.
mouth?
Sumasayaw lang ako. Ay, wait. Bago tayo lumabas. Ipalit mo na tayo.
Where are your ears? Yeah, these are your ears. Ears, good job. Here's your hair. Oh, yeah, this is our hair. Hair. If you're happy and you know it, clap your hands. If you're happy and you know it, clap your hands.
Mama, ano naman po gusto mong
If you're
makap?
happy and you know it, and you really want it.
Yung maliit?
If you're happy
Yeah, Mama. Yung tao po. Yung tao. Yung hindi headless. Aso. Pangit. Yung hindi headless. Ayan? Ha? Kakatapos ko lang siya. Ha? OMG, my favorite color and my favorite avatar. Ay, wait. Ayoko headless color. And where are you? Ba't ganito na?
Ay, natanggal yung isang Pero walang Ayun o.
Can you point to the dog?
Oh, ba't yung
Say,
Pero huwag na.
yeah, meow. Let's pretend to be cats. Meow, 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 meow.
Palitan mo ng yung pink. Na ano, ay,
If you should
Asan yung
be
mga
an
ano?
elephant upon
LC. Kaya ba yung pink or maliit yung pink?
Ipangandarin ko, mag-ingay ka to eh.
and what would you say? Say good morning, elephant.
Mama, look, kakabihis ko lang. Yarns. So, lalabas na.
Now may I dance with you? Try.
Gabing-gabi ko naman. Yan guys, gabing-gabi na. I-open na natin to and labas na. Baka morning na yata. Oh yeah, morning na. It's time for my morning routine or tapos na sa morning routine. Kanina pa. Ayan po.
Can you say go?
Yan, ilock natin yan.
Say go, and some cars will come out. Ready?
Yan, nalock ko na.
Go!
At anito.
Wow! Wow! Cars! Let's do more.
Ayan
Let's do
po.
more.
So, papasok na tayo.
Ready? Set.
Tayo natin gumalaw.
More cars! More cars! Yay!
1, 2, 3. Galaw!
Can you wave? This is waving.
Alis nga tayo. Maglalakad na nga lang. Ang lapit naman eh. Kita ko na yung car wash. Car wash. Si Jonas na. Guys, alam mo kung saan ako pupunta? Dito lang. We're waving now. We stop. Joke. Dito ako sa grocery stores. Let's impress some boys with my avatar. Yung mga boys na ginaya niya yung bahay ko. Kunin ko yung sakyan niya.
We're twisting, we're twisting, we're twisting, 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 we're twisting, we're twisting, we're twisting, no stop. Hey, yeah. Should we try? Let's do it. We're jumping, we're jumping, we're jumping, 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 we're jumping, we're jumping, we're jumping, no stop. That was so much fun.
Okay guys, we're here at the playground. And there we go. Our
On my head.
ate is behaving over here. Hi, te, kamusta? This is my new avatar.
No.
Nagkaroon ako ng Robux. Ganda mo naman.
A shoe doesn't.
Kasi mabigyan kita. Eh, naubos na nga pala.
Does
Sorry
Puppy
about
want
that.
the ball? Yes. Yes.
Cellphone kaya mo na.
Do you not? Yes.
Ganda kasi.
Puppy wants the ball.
Ayan guys, wag kayo.
Yeah. Yes, yes, yes. Yes.
Wait, kailangan ko
I want
tingnan yung boyfriend ko.
yes.
OMG, OMG.
Is baby so big? Can you put your arms up? Arms up. Arms up. How big is baby? So big. Good job.
Kasi bigay mo alam dapat ha. Alin ba rin nakakapit na?
Do you want to go with me?
Now I know my ABC. Next time won't you sing with me?
Let's call him to come out. Say bird with me. Bird, where are you? Bird. Oh, the bird was in the tree. Now he came out. He was in the tree. Slowly, slowly, very slowly creeps the garden snail. Slowly, slowly, very slowly up the wooden rail.
Let's just wait him to call.
Quickly runs a little mouse.
Look at my belly button. It's so like realistic.
That was fun.
So let me just
Let's
sit
do
on
it
the
again.
bench so
Slowly,
and do a life nap.
very
Life nap.
slowly creeps the garden snail.
Hey girls.
Slowly,
Hey guys,
slowly, very
Hmm.
slowly up the wooden rail. Quickly, 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 runs a little mouse. Quickly, quickly,
Okay, I'm just
quickly,
gonna
quickly,
pick
little
you.
mouse. That was fun.
Hey guys, so my name is Ariana and
And slowly,
Ritzy Joanna, and I'm just gonna be right here videoing, and I'm gonna post a picture that you want
see
to
spider
post. Okay,
down in the rain.
double
Watch the spider out. Out
send it, just send it. I'm gonna go for another video.
see spider.
And hey guys, so it's me again, Joanna Pritzy. So this is part 2. I just wanted to say that I love you guys because everybody else is not following me, especially that with the black. Oh, that's my boyfriend. My bad for a sec. Babe, wait. Babe, I didn't agree with you.
I'm toasting the toaster. I'm getting very hot. Tick tock, up I pop.
No, wait. No, babe. I
Toasting
didn't
the toaster. I'm
agree.
getting very hot. Tick tock,
I didn't. Okay. Hey, where are you with another girl?
Lick toast.
Is this another girl? I don't.
Good job. I did it.
Hey girl, morning. Oh wait, someone's listening.
Stop. Now we stop. Yeah, that's it. Okay, let's try to tiptoe. Are you ready? Tiptoe, 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 tiptoe. Hop, hop, hop. Hop, hop, hop. Running, 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 running.
I'm gonna say
Now we stop. No, we're so good at this. Okay, let's try marching. Are you ready? Marching, 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 marching. Hop, 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 hop.
love.
Saan ba yan? Pati lang mo din yung lady ha.
Really? Hey babe. I mean, magnanakaw ako. Magnanakaw daw siya.
Ate, malapit na malapit.
Hi girl. OMG! Ang ingay na itong mga to. Cellphone na lang ako sa bahay.
Pagka palitan mo na lang yung ako na magsasalang.
Can you say bubble?
Wala namang mga paso.
Bubble. Let's
Hindi,
blow
ilagay mo
some
na dyan.
bubbles. Ready?
Ayan po. So,
Kapit na kasalang habang
nakita mo yung kanina parang nag-stack up sila. Tapos ina mo yung tea.
Bubbles. Should we do more
Kadit
bubbles?
naman siya.
Should we do more? Should we do
Guys, alam mo yung sinabi ko
Let's do more bubbles. More bubbles.
That is,
Beautiful bubbles. Let's do more.
kadiri siya mga te. Parang ayaw ko sa kanya.
Beautiful.
Ayan po. So, punta muna tayo sa
Can you say pop?
pikit niya. Pero gusto na ng story
Pop
time.
the bubbles.
At wait lang.
Good job.
Mag-routine muna ako. So, tatanggalin ko. It's time for morning routine. So, yan guys po. Tanggalin natin yung iba.
My friends and my friends are your friends. The more we get together, the happier we'll be.
Ayan. So, ayan po. I-ruin po natin to.
The more we get together, the happier we'll be. 'Cause your friends are my friends and my friends are your friends. The more we get together, the happier we'll be.
So, ayan po.
What's that?
Nagbuburan na.
What is that? It's a ball.
Hindi na gagamitin.
Ball. Can you say ball?
So, ayan na.
Ball. Throw the ball,
Yun
catch the
lang.
ball. Throw the ball, catch the ball. Yay!
So,
Throw the ball, catch the ball.
kuhanin natin yung
You say that? I dropped
Mukha
the
na to.
ball. Oh no!
let's go. So, kuhanin natin yung mukha
I'll
niya.
pick it up.
Tanggalan natin to.
Here it is. I
Tanggalin natin to.
found it. I
Tanggalin natin
found
to.
the ball.
Tanggalin natin yan.
Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Throw the ball. Catch the ball. Now let's roll it. Roll. Roll the ball. Roll the ball.
Ayan po. Yan, diba po?
Let's roll it. Roll. Yay.
Cute lang. Beauty guys. Diba?
This
Joke.
you went to market.
Masyadong babalik.
Mamaya na lang pala.
So, yan.
Mamaya magkakamakal din.
And this little piggy had none.
Punta tayo sa clothes.
And this little piggy went
Tapos kuhanin natin yan. Ayan, di ba? Yung tops. I mean, yung bottoms. Yan, para maganda yan. O, di ba? O, di ba? Ganda ko agad. Ayan, tulog na tayo. Time for sleepyheads. May tao sa baba? Ay, wala. Ay, pa ako pala yun. Ayan, it's time to take a work. Oh, wait. Edit ba ito sa birthday ng kapatid ko? Yeah. Guys, sa September 1, totoong birthday naman ng kapatid ko. Wait, baby boy, mag-1 years old.
Can you give us
Stay
high
safe.
five? High five! Yay!
Ingat lang.
Let's give a
Mga
high
birthdays.
five. High five. Can you give a high five to the little boy?
What is this?
High five.
Movie theater?
High five.
Mama, parang yung Royalty Family House.
Yay!
May movie theater
Give me a
din.
High five. High five. High five.
Royalty.
Let's stack some blocks. These are blocks. Can you say blocks? Blocks.
Let's close the door. It's a bathroom, guys. Stay with me for a second. Just gonna go sit here and then myself. guys. Ginugutom niyo ako. I'm gonna raise the hunger. Okay, ayan po. So, mag-take food tayo. Take food. And,
We smile when we're
isa ko ng
happy.
popsicle.
Ay, gutom na.
Uy, parang corn. Parang corn. Okay, konti na lang.
Di ba?
We frown when
Dito
we're
pa, konti na lang.
sad. But now I'm happy again.
Okay, dito
I'm
muna
happy
tayo.
again. Yay! Let's sing row, row, row your boat. Get out your paddle.
Kain na.
Ay, parang gusto ko dito mag-ano.
Your boat gently down the stream.
OMG guys, bibihis muna ako.
This time, let's pretend we sing a
Ayan po. So, yan.
row, row, row your boat gently down the stream.
Swim.
If you see a crocodile, don't forget to scream.
Anong spelling na swim?
It's a low-key
I
bunny.
am suit.
Let's say go and see what happens.
Suit.
S-U-I.
Set, go!
Soy.
It popped! It popped up.
OMG, ang daming swimsuit.
Round and round the garden like a teddy bear. One step, two step, tickle you under there.
At my skin.
Round
That's
and
my
round the
skin, yeah.
garden, the little bunny goes. Hippity
Yan
hop,
na lang.
hippity hop, he's gonna get
OMG.
your nose. Round and round the garden
Kita niyo?
goes the little
Huwag na
mouse.
natin yan i-matter.
Scurry, 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 into his little house.
Ano yun, ice cream?
Round and round the garden,
Ka-slide tayo.
looking for a hair. Where are
Wala
we
sa
going
bubong
to
pa talaga.
find it? Right
I'm in the
Right
waters.
there.
Wow! Talon! Ay, aray ko! Sarap! Anjir!
Put your pants on, pants on, pants on, baby. Put your pants
Teka,
on,
kaya
1, 2,
mag-float.
3. Baby, put your pants on, pants on, pants on, baby. Put your pants on, 1, 2, 3. Leg to the left, leg
Pag meron
to
dito
the right.
lalaki, tingnan nyo guys, ma-impress siya sa doorbell ring.
Leg to the left, leg to the right.
Anong door?
Jingle and roll.
Anong door?
Baby, put your pants on,
Anong door?
pants on, baby. Put your pants on, 1, 2, 3.
Ah, sa taas!
Pants on, pants on, pants on,
Namin sa baba.
Put your pants on, 1, 2, 3.
What? I'm swimming!
Spin, trot, trot to land. Watch out, baby, or you might fall in. Trot, trot,
Ang tawa naman.
spin,
Tama.
trot, trot,
Bago makakain
over.
kumain ha.
Watch out, baby, or you
Para
might
dala-dala ko
fall
ayos nila. Ito ko gusto yung mga pinggan. Dahil hindi na yung what.
So silly.
Tumigod na tayo.
Oh! This door!
Can you say wow? Wow! It's a shape sorter. Let's put the shapes in. Star.
Did you
And
ice cream?
I did it. Can you say I did it? I did it. Triangle. Triangle and square. You say in. Put it in, put it in, put it in.
Did you want
You did it. You did it. Circle. Circle. No. No. Does it go here? No. No. You say in, and we'll put it in. Put it in, put it in, put it
and go away?
in. We did it. We did it. Can you pretend to be a clock with me? Tick tock, tick tock. I'm a little cuckoo clock. Tick tock, tick tock. Now I'm striking 1 o'clock. Tick tock, tick tock. I'm a little cuckoo clock. Tick tock, tick tock. Now I'm striking 2 o'clock. Cuckoo. Cuckoo. Tick tock, tick tock. I'm a little cuckoo clock. Tick tock, tick tock. Now I'm striking 3 o'clock. Cuckoo. 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 Great job. Can you say on? On. On. On.
Felix, wait, Felix.
Put it on, put it on, put it on. You did it! Put it on, put it on, put it on. Yay! Put it on, put it on. We're putting the rings on. Put the rings on the stacker. Yay! That was fun. Let's do the colors. Red, orange, yellow, green, blue. Yay! We did it.
Hey, I need to talk to you guys. Si Galbo? Galbo! Fix the car! Nakita ko yung kapatid mo, te. Who are you?
Let's sing Twinkle Twinkle. Please sing with me.
Binand nila ako.
Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are. Up above the world so high, like a diamond in the sky. Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are. Can you do those twinkle fingers with me? All right. Here we go. Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are. Up above the world so high, like a diamond in the sky. Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are.
Ganun pala.
Apple. Where is the apple? Do you think it's under the blanket? Let's check. Under the blanket. Where is the car?
Hindi ba yun?
Where is it?
Huh?
Under the blanket?
Hindi ba yun
Let's
ibay?
check. The car was under the blanket. We found it. We found the car.
Libre lang daw yung ibay
Ay,
ka Kuha din mo nga daw.
Kakain na ako, ha? Para ano?
Look, it's a toy
What do you mean?
car. Car. Can you say car? Car. Car.
Sa'yo?
Car.
Hindi nga makakulit yun.
Say vroom vroom. Then the car will come out. Vroom vroom vroom. Here it is. Vroom vroom going fast.
Easy, kakain na ako.
So fast.
Mama, nag-sneak in ako sa mga tao.
Now it's going slow. Slow car. Slow car. Bye bye car. Say bye bye to the car.
Bye-bye, car.
Bye bye car.
Malatakan ako sa
Ha?
malata.
Walang ibang
Guys,
kasi.
manood tayo.
Beep. Beep.
Parang wala pa siya.
Here comes the car. Beep beep. Beep beep.
Wonder. Dito po sa Little Prince si Joanna. Sumisi. Nagaan sa mga...
Ayun yung bago para bukas.
Kalbo. Halika nga dito, Kalbo.
Yeah, it's my stuff.
Kalbo.
Their name is Patches. We're going to be doing a song with our stuffies. Can you go get your stuffies so that we can sing along? Okay, awesome. You can follow along with the drills right here. Okay, let's go. Put your stuffy on your heart, on your heart. Put your stuffy on your heart, on your heart.
Wala kasi tayong ganito na
Put your
sira.
stuffy
Diba?
on your heart. What a lovely way to start. Put your stuffy on your heart, on your heart. Put your stuffy on your knees, on your knees.
Guys, dumawala na ako. Let's go. Isa pa. Let's go ah. Natatawa ako. Mama. Kasi mama, look. Ginagawa ta ng mga ibang tao.
Roll it, mark it with a B, and put it in the oven for baby and me.
Hi, Kalbo. Hi, ano.
What do we do with the brush?
Ano, parang nagsisneak in sa loob. Kilala ko si Kalbo eh. Dati ko siyang friend.
Yeah, we brush our hair. When our hair is messy, we brush it. Good job.
Iwan na niliti. Ang bigim ko, hindi bigim.
And what do we do with the phone?
Kahanapan natin sila.
Yeah, we talk on the phone. Hello?
Lumuli sa sila. Hala, si Mama, chiniter ako ni Kalbo. Friend ko si Kalbo dati. Pero nung 9,
What do
nung
we
ano
do with
pa.
the fork?
Nung parang
Yeah,
3 years, I
we
mean,
eat the
ano,
fork.
dati sa Roblox, nung 5 years old pa ako. Si Kalbo, naglalaro kami ng ano, Baris. Tapos, ano, meron siyang Robux. Meron po siyang Robux, di ba po?
Maybe cereal or soup?
Tapos,
Good job.
ano, meron siyang gun. Pinapatay niya si Baris.
You be the
Baris
ice cream
freezer?
and
Aha,
I'll
aha.
be the freezer. You be the lemon and I'll be the squeezer.
Tapos, screen reader niya ako ngayon. Meron na siyang isa pa, si Pangit.
You be the baby and we'll have so much fun.
Pangit pangalan
Shake,
niya.
shake, shake. Can you shake a toy? Shake, shake, shake. Shake, shake, shake. Shake, shake, shake. I'm shaking a toy.
Okay guys, yan po.
Yay!
Kukuha tayo.
Shake, shake,
Sasakyan ko.
air.
Let's go po. Sasakyan natin.
Shake your shaker in the air. Shake your shaker. Shake it high, shake it low.
So, magdi-driveway lang tayo yan.
Shake it high, shake
Uy,
it
talo na.
low. Shake your shaker.
Balik na ako, balik na ako, balik na ako.
Like a car.
Oh, hey, let's go. Ay, siya pala yung bago kong friend. No, na-meet ko siya. Kuya! Kahit saan mo nagtititi. Dinidiri ako ng boyfriend ko pa din. Guys, natandaan. Nilik niya yung tae. Ay, tae. Wait, magkakasa ka ng road.
3, 4, 5,
Umbrella.
7, 8. We have 8 rings.
Mama,
on the
umbrella.
scepter.
Sabi ko umbrella.
No.
First, we make the dough. Pizza
Pag-aralan
baby,
mo, ha?
pizza baby, pizza baby, pizza baby.
Ew!
Then we spread the sauce. Pizza baby, pizza baby, pizza baby, pizza baby. Then we sprinkle the cheese. Pizza baby, pizza baby, pizza baby, pizza baby. Then we eat it up.
Ayan po. So,
Want
yan.
toys.
Maglalakad lang ako. It's a rainy day.
Want toys.
Na-broke up kami ng
Let's
best
play
friend
with the
ko.
toys. 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 Let's play with this toy. You say pop, and we'll see what happens. Oh, wow! A lion popped up. A lion popped up.
Lakas ng hangin.
Can you pretend to be a
Nakabangga sa
lion?
ulan.
Can you roar like a lion? Roar! I'm a lion! Let's see who's next. Say pop, pop. Oh, it's an elephant.
Hala! Kamukha ko lang siya. Ate, kamukha ko siya.
You pretend to be an elephant with me?
Pero meron siyang ako, wala. Meron din siyang headband. Ganda lang. Book lang, you know. We're not sisters. We're not kahit ano. Punta na ako dun sa ng bahay ko. Eh, wala internet.
Let's see. Say pop. We have to say it louder. Pop. It worked. It's a bear. I see a bear. Hi, bear.
Grabe, malaki rin pala ng sound.
Let's pretend to be bears. You pretend to be a bear? I'm a bear. Say pop and we'll see what the next one is. Pop. Let's say it louder. Pop. It worked. Oh, it's a little doggy. Hi, doggy. It's a black and white doggy. So cute. Let's be doggies together. let's eat our food. Eating our food out of our bowl. Now let's drink our water. Drinking our water out of our bowl. Pretending to be dogs. Good job.
Ate, kaya may kain na.
Yup. Night, night, night.
Hindi tayo tumubi kasi ito ko.
Sure.
Yellow again. Yellow on. Green on. Orange on. Let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We have 8 cups. Wow! They fell down. That was fun. 20. Little bear in a tree, sitting so still. Will he come out? Yes, he will.
Guys, ayoko na.
Looks to the left.
Kaya yung ending ko.
He looks to the right.
Okay. Captain Talo na lang tayo para mas
Out of sight.
basta.
I think he's sleeping. Should we make him up to say hello? Say, wake up there. Wake up there. We have to say it louder. Wake up there.
Yung mga professional hindi nahulog. So, first try ko na lang.
Hi there.
Yep.
He's clapping. He's happy to see you. You clap. I'm tired. I need to go back to sleep. He needs to go back to sleep. He's hibernating. Let's say good night there. Good night there. Oh, you yawn. Oh, you're so tired.
First try pa lang yun ha, pero okay lang. Second try.
Wake up. Let's go
Lagi
back
ko
to
na ito
sleep.
na-try. Lagi lang ako
We're so
nahulog.
tired.
Pero hindi ko pa nami-make task. So, ano lang. Yung iba hindi ko na-make
Wake up. Yay, that was fun. Good night there.
So, yan po. Tumatalo na tayo.
These two I have. 1, 2,
Me, bacon.
3, 4.
Hindi na ako bacon, guys. Ito. Ang sarili ko.
He's jumping on there.
I'm revealing myself.
Bumps his head.
Yung...
Doctor
Wendy.
said, no
Wendy.
more he's jumping on there. 2,
I don't
4. Poor little monkey's jumping on the bed. One foot on the bottom. Doctor said, no more monkeys jumping on the bed.
No more Stacy. Kain na.
2, 3.
Thank you guys.
Jumping on the bed. 1,
Oh! No, diba?
Doctor said, no more monkeys jumping on the bed. Oh, you're not now. 1, 2. 2 little monkeys.
Dapat ganun lang.
One fell off and Fox's
Oy.
head.
Ay, isa pa.
Doctor said, no more monkeys jumping on the
Ewing?
bed.
Isa pa.
Good job. You're not now.
Ewing?
Just one little monkey. One little monkey.
Ewing?
He fell off and Fox's head. Doctor said,
Arara.
no more monkeys jumping on the bed. Let's say it twice as
Si
loud.
Guess. Sino si Guess?
Monkeys jumping on the bed.
Then guess my name. Eto. Roses are red, violets are blue. If God made me beautiful, what happened to you is... Eto. Roses are red, violets are blue. If your parents say you're beautiful, they're lying to you. Eto. Roses are red, violets are blue. Every time I flush the toilet, I remember you. Because you're like a toilet.
We're gonna get us pretend bubble. Okay, so get us some pretend
Because I love toilets and I love you.
What color is yours?
Kinikilig niya.
Okay, chew it. Are you chewing your gum?
Sabihin niya yun sa crush niya.
Okay, now we're gonna throw a really big bubble. Ready?
Bakit? Tinatanong niyo ako kung sino crush ko? Never. Wala akong crush. Yung pangalan ng crush ko, no one.
Oh no! Our bubble pop!
Yung crush ko lang ay Roblox kasi marami kang magiging friends and so much fun. And parang, ano lang siya, goods. Pero wag maraming pwede kayo mag-Roblox videos at usong-uso na yung Roblox. Maraming games, merong horror games, kahit tapos nainis na ako. Okay guys, ayan, live na tayo. Yes po. Magsi-secret murder tayo. Murder mystery to pala. Nichols. Murderer mystery. So, meron pang to rob them. Diba phone tayo, hindi tablet. Kasi tablet yung ginagamit ko kasi phone. Okay po, tingnan mo. So, sino yung killer? Wala, siya pala yung killer. Siya yung killer. Ay, hindi siya yung killer. Siya yung killer. Siya yung killer, guys. For sure, siya yung killer. Hindi siya. Daanan niya lang yung killer. Hindi nakita niya yung killer. Ay! Hindi na nalagyan niya. Siya yung killer lang. Okay guys, bye-bye na.